This could literally pass for my hair. Hey loves, welcome again. Today we'll be doing a leave out look, but this time around we're not spending all that time and all that money because it's a wig. This wig is from Unice. It's their Kinky Straight EasiContour V-part wig. 24 inches, 150% density, 100% trim and hair. This is the upgraded version of the V-part wig. Act of customers' feedback is thinner, flatter. The two clips in front was replaced with a comb for more comfort. You know how painful that clip can be sometimes. This was how I waved my hair, and these days one thing I've been enjoying lately is to oil my scalp. For reference, I have an unrelaxed 4C hair, so I went ahead to put the two clips, I'm pressing it down. You open, clip, press down, then this is what we have. Can you see how secure that is? Then I go ahead to put the combs by the side and then the one in front, and that was how flat it was. For more security, it's got an adjustable band and a drawstring. Trust me guys when I tell you this wig was secure. You have nothing to worry about. Looking at it now, I understand what they mean by the whole contour and how flat it was, because I have a U-part wig but it's not this flat. So yes, this is perfect. So I went ahead to loosen the leave out. It's obviously not matching with my hair because like I said, my hair is unrelaxed, so I will go ahead to straighten. Always use a heat protectant before using any hot styling tool on your hair if you do not want to damage your hair. I'm a super fan of this straightening comb because it just makes the work easy and fast, So now guys, it's time to part my hair. I want a center parting, but because my hair is unrelaxed, you see, I don't know if I'm the only one that when I'm parting my hair, it never shows. Like, it's so crazy all the time. So I had to go in with some edge control just to try and make it a bit prominent, but still this is what we can get at the moment. It's still not perfect. So what I do, I go in with my little trick of applying a concealer on this tail comb, and then I will just run it down, and that was it. This works all the time for me. Let me know if you try it, what you think. So I went in to straighten the hair as well with this straightening brush. I told you guys it makes the work easy and fast, and this is the final look. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Like, I found my Christmas hair. This is just the vibe I wanted, and it delivered, guys. Look at how full that is. I can't believe this is just 150% density because it's quite full, guys. Quite beautiful. I love the texture, all of it. So I decided to try out to curl the hair and see how it's gonna turn out. So I went in with a coiling wand, and yeah, I'll allow you to enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and let me know what you think in the comments. Did you love this hairstyle? Are you gonna try? Let me know. I would really love to know. Meanwhile, I'll be linking everything that I remember their link at the description, so try and check it out, especially this beautiful hair from Unice. See you in the next one, lovely. Mwah.